Hey everyone, welcome back to today's best deals today. We're excited to review the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone robot vacuum and mop, a cutting-edge cleaning solution that's designed to make your life easier. Meet the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone, featuring PowerBoost gone fast charging, OZMO Roller 2.0 instant self-washing mop, and 19,500 pascals blast suction. This robot vacuum and mop is engineered to deliver hands-free floor care, smarter every day. The X11 boasts a Bagless OmniCyclone station, reducing waste and upkeep. The OZMO Roller 2.0 with TrueEdge 3.0 delivers stronger scrubbing and 50% better edge reach, making it perfect for large homes. This robot vacuum features AIVI 3D smart navigation, LiDAR, and TOF, learning your layout and habits to auto-adjust suction, mopping, and path. The TruePass 4-wheel climbing system ensures seamless room-to-room cleaning. The X11 comes with a smart wet and dry clean system, lifting its roller mop on carpets and raising brushes to avoid wet mess. It's a game-changer for anyone who wants to keep their home clean without the hassle of manual vacuuming and mopping. With its advanced features and sleek design, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone is a must-have for anyone who wants to experience the future of cleaning. Order now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. Thanks for watching Channel Name. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Get yours now and start enjoying the convenience of automated cleaning. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone is available now. Say goodbye to manual vacuuming and mopping, and hello to a cleaner, healthier home with the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone.